Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to stop TeamViewer from opening on startup. So to do this process guys, first things first is open up the TeamViewer into your computer. Now here, once you have opened it up, you could select the three dots on the top right corner. And now over here, you could just simply go ahead and go through the settings. Now here on the settings guys, you could go for the left side over here. As you can see, you will have a window popping up, and from here you could just simply go for the device category and you could go for the general. And here on the general, as you can see, if you have the start TeamViewer with Windows turned on, make sure that this is turned off, because this is the reason why TeamViewer automatically launch when you turn on your computer. Now another feature that you could try is go for your task manager here on your task menu, and from here you could go for start up apps and you will have multiple apps over here. Of course, just simply tap on T, and if you have TeamViewer over here, just make sure that this is disabled, and you can disable it by right clicking on it and select disable, so it will not start up. And pretty much that's all you could do, and there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.